Hey traders, Michael from Elite Traders University here. Now I'm just going to look at our positions that we took out recently. Remember, I shorted right up at the top here and I was trading it down, and so we can have a look and see how that turned out. So there we go. That was our trade from the 1st of February. We held it for 3 days and we ended up with nice 400 pips very easily on 3 positions, and we took our take profit down in this region here. Now what we're seeing at the moment is a really nice breakout to the upside in pound dollar, and if we actually look at our 1 hour chart, you can see that we have broken this high here. In fact, let's just mark that. We were trading in a range for quite a while, and then what we can see is very strong buying coming here, okay, related to Brexit, and basically price just kept pushing higher and just snapped through that level very powerfully. So at this stage all the momentum is to the upside, and we have closed above this level now. That's the one spot 37.57 level. As you can see, we came back down and tested that level and we were unable to break through. So I believe we're going higher from here, and again this confirms my long-term high time frame perspective for a while, that we are going higher for the coming 2, 3, 4 months. And I was expecting to go low in the near term, however this bullish action cancelled that, and I'm only looking to go long this market, and I'm looking to accumulate positions, and I'll be looking to get into those profitably and then letting them run. So I was long in this region here last night, and currently I'm up 3 lots, and we're up about 90 pips on 3 different lots, and I'll be looking at going long again tonight as well. So I'll be looking for a deeper pullback and looking for some sort of edge to go long and run this higher for a multi-hundred pip move. Okay, so that's my plan, and I think it's a good plan. I think we're definitely going higher. The dollar index has dropped down, so the dollar is weakening, which means the pound is going to be strengthening against the dollar. So I'm looking to go long. I'm looking to add to my positions. As you can see, we're now in a very strong uptrend. We've broken this level and we're moving higher. So I'm looking to go long, and what we do is we like to see this where the strength of currencies are going, and we look to run with those trends. Now if you are interested in what courses we offer at the university, there's a link below in the description box. There will also be a link on Facebook, and you can make a call, schedule a call just to talk with me about your trading. I can answer your questions, I can share what we offer, how we approach your education. Any questions you might have, feel free to give me a call, or feel free to schedule a call. I'd love to talk with you about how we can help you in your trading journey, and bring you to a place of trading mastery where you can actually be free to pursue what you want, because you're able to make money successfully and consistently from trading. So I look forward to some of you connecting with me shortly, and stay in touch, and let's see where this pound train runs to.